Hey everyone, Lee Goldstein here for 10-Minute Trades, and I want to show you the trade I should have taken. Was a little bit too worried about risk. So part of the problem is there was a lot of news on the PCE price index and durable goods. There were too many reports, and I was concerned that it might not work the right way. So on the right side here, under my face, you can see the ES. It explodes to the upside, and then it does an immediate reversal, which is the way we're trading it. We want to trade the trap trade. It's already $100 in profit. And what's going to happen is the price is just going to continue down and keep making money on this trade. Watch. Down and down and down. I cancel that extra order and I bring my stop down into safety, and now it's just going to keep moving down, and I have the opportunity to trail the price down as it keeps making more money, because remember, we're expecting a reversal trade. That's exactly what we got, and had I taken this trade, it would have been easily profitable for over $400. What's great is other members in the room did take the trade, and it just goes to show that our setups are definitely excellent and have the potential for profits. So yes, I should have taken the trade. I was trying to keep everyone in the room safe because there were a lot of reports, but there are always opportunities if you're willing to take the risk. The trade I should have taken, PCE price index. Lee Goldstein here for 10-Minute Trades. Don't forget our sale, www.protradenow.com for the holidays. www.protradenow for the holidays. Join our pro membership for just $247 for 3 months. An awesome, awesome subscription. Have a great holiday, everyone, and I'll see you soon.